Alright, had a pretty good day yesterday. Made over $900. Let's see if we can get that to continue. We had a CPI report this morning. Looks like we had, looks like it's a gap and crap. So we needed to hold this level. We're still stuck in between levels. We still have, a level that needs to hold. At least in the futures. So we're gonna have to see how that goes. I have the pre-market data open here just so I can kind of see where things are as we open this morning. Still got quite a bit of time left, but I could not sleep anymore. So now I guess we're screwing around for 12 minutes. To go over yesterday, there was a little bit of luck yesterday, I have to say. A couple of trades in SMCI got me most of my money. One was a quick bounce, and another one was a short. Let me open up the trades from yesterday. See if that pops up. Let me set this on 5-minute, maybe it'll show up. Okay, what if I switch to 1 minute then? Sometimes it takes forever for this thing to load. But this stock is really dangerous to play. I wouldn't want to do it while I'm trying to talk to people. So I don't think we're going to play it today. Kind of stuck in the middle of things, so it might be a little bit choppy. Let me disable this and turn it on again and see if it'll work. No trades. I showed him yesterday, so it's on the footage. This thing is not coming up. I was trying to get to 1,000 yesterday, but my one loss was in Datadog. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing this one. So, Datadog, I got in at the exact wrong time. I kind of anticipated a break of the low here, and that didn't happen. It abruptly reversed, and it reversed hard. And I had to scalp back the $177 that it took back from me. I didn't get all of it back, but I got it to, got things to back over 900. Alright, let's see if SMCI works. No. There we go. Did lots of trading into that last week. Yeah, so I played a bounce. I didn't get all of this, but I did a quick scalp, and then there was a short that I made as well. So that put us up $700. Really scary to do, though. You're seeing your P&L just fluctuate hundreds of dollars in seconds. It's just really crazy. You gotta be on top of things if you're gonna play that one. Still have 9 minutes left. Where are we looking? I was looking for this to do a retest yesterday, and it never did, like somewhere up here, and it didn't. Let me look at the hourly again. Whoop. Zoom in. So this one's right, so there is a level to hold here. Looks like it couldn't quite make it today, but now we're kind of sandwiched. Maybe we could move this one. So this is the down tick, and then it reversed. Maybe it's a little bit more like this. But that's on the hourly. I had it on a lower time frame. Yeah, we're still stuck in the middle here. But I better not play this one today if I'm gonna be live streaming. Google, what the fuck, man? That was one of the stronger plays yesterday. Let's see, what else do I like to play? Tesla. Well, we have an upper level that couldn't hold, so we're on the hourly looking at something up here, but that's a little bit too high for the stuff that I do. Got nowhere near this. Candle took us too low. I don't know if this is a correct... I don't know if this is correct or that's a... some type of anomaly. So it makes the charts a little bit more difficult to read. And this is the candle that took it to a low. That one's a pretty wide-ranging bar. So we essentially have the open of yesterday. That looks like a level to get above or fail. So we're stuck in the middle again, so we'd have to look at a lower, even lower time frame to figure out what's going on. So we have a pre-market high. Might be helpful to change colors on this just to differentiate. And once the market starts up, I'll have to remove the pre-market hours because I use the moving averages to kind of gauge.
Welcome aboard, Akar_pet_love. Get ready for a wild ride.
Hey, Carpet, good morning. You didn't call him Cupcake. Welcome aboard, Cupcake. Or Pop-Tart, Pop-Tart. He said Pop-Tart, not Cupcake. Alright, we got 5 minutes left. What the hell are we doing today?
Because you're more than just a sweet treat. Akar_pet_love. You're a whole package.
Oh, damn. He's risen ya. Well, things are gonna get a bit choppy today. So we do have a high. It couldn't hold the high, but it also is holding the low, so we need to see that thing broken. Nah, that's not dude. God.
Glad you're enjoying the show, Akar_pet_love. Just having some fun.
Well, SMCI is holding here. Man, today's... Tuesdays are usually my bad days, but last month it was not. I think it was Friday last month. Let me open up my trading journal while we have a few minutes. So I can just kind of scan around and see where we're going on here. Last month, yeah, Friday and Monday were my worst days, and I actually made money on... Tuesday was actually my best day last month. This month, the only loss that I've had was on Monday, and we've already passed Monday. So far we're at 6 wins and 1 loss, so we're overdue for another loss. Unless we're gonna have a good month, we'll see. Let's see, what else, what other news is there? I think there's like a bond news later on. I don't know if that'll affect, how much that'll affect equities here. Yeah, 10-year bond auction. That's later in the day. I'll be done. Hopefully I'll be done trading by then. Because if it gets to 10 o'clock, then something has gone wrong. Well, I think I have a pretty good connection. I don't see any dropped frames. Oh, we got a minute left. Tesla can't hold. But it's still stuck in this shit middle here. He needs to break the low. I mean, it can chop anywhere now. This thing kind of throws things off a bit. It's all happening in a single bar. And then if I go lower, I suppose we could mark this off and see. But we definitely want to see this gain, because this is the pre-market high. We don't really have a swing low on the pre-market unless we're going to use yesterday's first 5-minute candle as some type of basis of support, but it can bounce in here for a while. Alright, so I'm gonna have an alert above and below. That's if I have to scalp today. If I have to scalp today, I'm gonna have to go, I usually use Tesla as my standby no matter what happens, and I use my strategy based on the scan. Alright, we're about to open up here. Got futures still stuck in the middle. I'm gonna clear up extended hours trading. Got a real bad starter on Tesla that hasn't broken anything yet. Probably was a good long once you saw this, but it's so fast. Still getting all the orders fleshed out in the first minute. Well, we're gonna lose. What's it look like on the daily here? This looks like shit. But you're gonna have to break down here before it really accelerates. It might get just choppy. This is a daily time frame here. It did get rejected. So we're gonna try again to bounce below, but it can get stuck in this range for a while. We'll have to see. So if it bounces up and retests in the next candle here, maybe we can try a small short, but I don't want to lose my account or hit my stop loss right away. Let's see if it tries to retest from the bottom up. This is a 5-minute candle, so it might actually do that in the lower time frame. We'll see if there's a tail. Could also do a 2-minute. That is a hell of a... Alright, let's see. Gotta do a light size because we want to fuck ourselves. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. Possibly put our order a little bit too high. So it looks like it retested. That candle hasn't closed yet, so it could still abruptly reverse. But we just have a small size here. Hasn't closed off or anything, so I mean, it still has plenty of possibility to bounce back up. Market's still holding the bottom of that range here, but we gotta play the thing that we're in. Alright, let's start doing the scan for what our main plays are going to be today. Probably could have held that. But I want to move on to something that I'm gonna go a larger size in. Probably could have had $100 off of that. Yeah, there he goes. So fucked up on that one. Let's see. So I want to. Google has momentum, but it's... Well, that's interesting. It reversed the pre-market garbage, and then it... Damn, that's really crazy. Jesus. Alright. Now it seems to be holding. Wow, that's crazy. Could probably scalp some of this. It's a little bit too far off to want to go long forever. Let me see what happens here. Oh, dropping shit. See if it hits target from here. My stop is gonna be this. Oh, fuck. You fucking asshole. Fucking market orders. Things are a little bit too fast still. Alright, now we gotta be a little bit concerned. It did not hold this. See what happens here. Interesting that it wiped out that entire action. Alright, let me move this down to a lower time frame, see what's going on here. Could possibly want to pull back a little bit. Alright, I don't want to lose anything on here. Yeah, we don't have many good targets today. We don't have things that are both heavy momentum and outside of range. We just have a smattering of shit, so we're gonna have to probably scalp. Like what we've been doing. I wish I held Tesla. So I could try to retrace here. Damn, I really wish I held Tesla. Alright. Shit. See if it breaks the low here. It's a little bit of a concern because we got this here. See if it continues or not. I might lose my gains on this one. Gotta break the low here, bud. Alright. Alright. Let's see if he hits target. Flatten on loss. Alright, head to target, please. Why am I on 2 minutes? Let's go to 1 minute and really take, whoops, really take a look at what's going on here. Okay. Sometimes I'll make, they like to make a lower low and then reverse it hard. But we already, if you look at a lower time frame, we did do a retest where I expected, where I had the red line. So now we're looking for a lower low here. I'm gonna put my stop right at the tip of this candle. Mental stop. Alright, let's go to target, please. Target, please. And then we're done with Tesla for the day. Unless it makes a nice bounce up there. Come on, Tesla, go to target. You're starting to worry me a little bit. Nice topping tails there, but I want to see... a solid bar down. I don't want to see... There we go. Oh, shit, I was gonna move it. Alright, so we're up 186. Still not done for the day. I missed out on the opportunity that Tesla had. So I'm gonna have to bounce around a little bit. So what else do we got here? Well, I was playing Google a little bit earlier. Google got reversed this riffraff here. Let me clean up some lines. This is all garbage. So let's see here. I guess no, because this made a high and it was a... So we gotta get above that. The market is flirting with grinding lower. So there is a VWAP bounce if you want to use VWAP. I don't like using it, but I had it just to show someone something and didn't take it off. Let me remove extended hours. It's tricky. Yeah, so we're gonna have to wait on this one. But Google's probably the play for the day. Anything else on the scan? Airbnb's outside of range. Oh, Jesus. Alright, well, Airbnb is done. CVNA, that's on Nicey. We played Tesla. Apple's such a shit stock. Apple's outside of range from the previous day. And actually already hit target. Wow, Google's really pulled back. Interesting. So maybe it will fail. Because this was the pre-market high, and it just retested this. Man, and the open was down here, so holy shit. Market is rolling over. Airbnb, what the hell's special about you? Let me take a look at your pre-market. This one's a little fucked. Not much action, I can't really use that. So what to do about Google? Well, we have a giant clearing bar here, but it couldn't hold a level, so now it's gonna have to retest. So this is a long area to retest, man. Suppose you could also mark this off too and see what happens. Then you got this area between here and here. Okay, Tesla. Do we want to play a reversal? This bar is a little bit scary, so any type of reversal, you're gonna have to contend with this. Alright, we don't have any targets today, so today is gonna be one of those difficult scalping days. Typical Tuesday, motherfucker. Damn, DoorDash is really hugging these nuts. Still inside the first 15-minute range. Barely moved. That's a nasty one. So we have multiple bottoming tails here. So we have one clearing bar that just got us up to a level, and then it's trying to hold this level now, so... But the market's reversing, so we're gonna have to watch still. This is, like I said, it's a little bit difficult of a day. Made money on Tesla, but, yeah, I definitely should have held that Tesla shit. Motherfucker. Alright. The market has lost its range. So there was a gap in crap, essentially, off that CPI report. Couldn't hold the top level, and now it's actually gone through the level it needed to hold from yesterday. Or from, I guess it's the overnight. And Google's losing its, has lost its range to hold. But I still don't want to go up against this entire thing. Oh, so where do we want to go, man? Today's gonna be, I could just call it good too. Maybe we can get up to 200 and then just call it good. I mean, that's kind of pathetic, but given the type of data we're dealing with, maybe I should. This would have been it. This was the main play we should have done. I didn't hold it long enough. I didn't get enough size up here. There's nothing on my list. Wait a minute, ABBV. Oops. Not Agilent. Might be a little bit too late for this one. Nope, we're still there. Okay. So what do we got here? We got the first 15-minute bar. It's a little bit too far of a range to do our traditional strategy on it, but maybe we can do some type of scalping on it. If it's not too late. Interesting that AbbVie is bucking the trend of the market. That's also a concern. But it's done everything it needs to. It held that. Held this. It did its retest there. So yesterday we had a really good day. I don't know if you saw that one, but yesterday was $900. Having a pretty good month. Today is a little bit difficult because we're a little bit of had a bit of a fake out, and so you have some levels of support that are kind of like fake support. On my scan, I don't have anything that matches all of my criteria for a really large play for the traditional strategy, so I'm trying to scalp, and that's a little bit more difficult. So we're almost at $200 within the first 15 minutes. But I don't want to give anything back either, so it's a risk to re-enter. Man, so Google just lost all of that shit. Oh my god. Well, let's see. It could be a sweep of the low, then break up and above, and then re-hold. So maybe that'll work. Maybe we can do a quick long there. Tesla did do a... Okay, well, shit, lots of shit happens pretty quickly, huh? So what are we looking at here? I want to see this thing hold here. The market itself has already lost support, so now it's trying to utilize yesterday's garbage. I don't have it zoomed in on here yet. What would we look at here? I think I need a bigger time frame. Yeah, gap and crap, man. Jesus Christ. Suppose this is holding. This is a nice solid bar. I don't know if you really want to use this one or this one. This one looks like a good retest. So it's holding that. So retest it here, come back up here, and then we'll slowly see what happens. Meanwhile, do we want to stick our dick into Tesla again? Hope you're doing well. So on the 1 minute, it needs to hold this area, but on the 5 minute, still need to hold up here. Yeah, this is, not a great trading day. At least not with what I want to do. Getting too cautious. There we go, so... Let's see what we got here. So we had a retest and a bounce off of Google, so now I'm gonna let this thing run a little bit. Okay. So where it needs to test is somewhere up here. So this is what we're looking for. I drew this line earlier, see? So this is the area of support. It broke up and above, and then now it just retested, and then it ignited, so now we're just looking to take profits on the way up. Today's gonna be a really small day, guys. I can't put in much size. Alright. Hold till failure on this one, I guess. Failure being a complete close below this one here. I guess failure really would be to lose a level, but that'll be too big of a stop, and I don't want to lose that much money today. Alright, so we're negative now. See where this thing... I don't want this thing to lose here. What are we up today? I think we're up a little bit over 200 now. Typically, I'd like to get 350 or something out of little shit days like today. Oh, there we go. We gotta see this thing closes. I'm gonna have to flatten here. But then again, you could also add if it holds that area. Sorry, I'm logging into my broker in the background. Okay, what are we up today right now? We're up 241. So we're still within the first 30 minutes, it's okay, but... You know, we gotta be watching this like a hawk, because it's a little bit all over the place today. So... This is the same type of thing that you're doing over and over and over again every time you trade, no matter what time frame you're in. You're looking for the levels of support and resistance, you're looking at places to retest and hold. So here we have a... You don't have to be exactly perfect, but you can see where it tried basing a level yesterday. And today it actually opened way down here and it ignited. It got above here, it held, and it continued up higher. Then it failed, then it came back and retested, so this is why we had the line here, and then it sweeped, so I was a little bit scared, but then it got above and it held it, and then now it's gonna go up to here where the retest is possible. So everything's playing out exactly to the book here. And no, I'm not flipping a fucking coin. There's analysis you can do, and you have to play. It doesn't work all the time, but it works enough where you have an edge, and that's how you make your profits. You're gonna lose, but as long as you lose less than you win, then you just keep grinding and grinding. Alright, let's see, I'm gonna flatten on the first failure, so if this closes below here, then I'm done. Then I'll move on to something else. But I haven't had my fill, the dragon's still hungry. But we ain't gonna get no $900 day today. Alright, looking for a close below. We got 20 seconds left. See what happens here. We want it somewhere up here, which is the retest of the failure. Didn't close below, but it's not good. And if you're a little bit more brave than I was this morning, you could have made
King Phillips, you're
pretty good
barking up
bank
the
on
wrong
Tesla.
tree. Watch where you step.
Why are you guys knocking on my cat? Alright, come on, get to target here and we're done. Okay, let's at least try to get $300. We're 30 bucks away. There's gotta be some type of trade somewhere. Maybe it'll hit it if maybe that'll be 300 if it actually hits that target, but it's struggling right now. Might base sideways for a bit before making the next leg. But I'm still gonna have to... It might sweep below where my stop is and then continue higher, but I have to take it. Because I can't guarantee if it's gonna do that or not. But as long as it holds above this candle, I'm still in it. Wow, look at the reaction on the market. So they really just swept the stops down there. Now we're back up into the range it needed to hold. So now it's basically doing the same thing that Google did. So now it needs to hold here, and then we can kind of try to reattempt to take this area. Alright, getting ready to flatten. Hopefully things are good in Vietnam. King Philip. Better than Cambodia. Alright. Getting ready to flatten here. It's tough because this minute just started. So it could always sweep. So you have to close below. If you don't close below, I'm not going to flatten you out yet.
Phillips, keep it badass.
Oh, fuck, okay. Got 5 seconds to impress me if we're done. Nope, that's it. Shit. Alright, so... Not what we wanted to see. We wanted to see this thing hold to get up there. I'd always try to retest here, but I didn't want that to happen. That was the first failure. Oh, so we got a bit of money left to go. We gotta make 70 bucks somehow. If I want to go for an arbitrary goal. Actually, I shouldn't say arbitrary because it's actually I need to make that much on average. I mean, I'm gonna make more or less all the time, but alright, can we do a long here? This looks like it's holding. But if I get fucked on Tesla, it's gonna set me back quite a bit. We've had multiple attempts to break that low there. We are above the moving average now. Looks like it's holding. So this is a risk. Just in this zone. So this is where they can get. This is where you get fucked. Chop zone. Well, let's see if it breaks above here. Gotta be patient, I guess. Shitty day, man. Fuck this day. I like easy days. Okay, what's Google doing? Google looks like it's holding the 200 period moving average on the 1 minute. But it already had that failure there, so... Scalps only. Apple broke above. Let's see what happens here. Apple moves slow enough to where it doesn't matter too bad. Stop here. Come on, baby. Ah, you tricky fucking bitch, fuck. Alright. Okay, now we need to... make a little bit more. Wish I had my, They tricked me. See, that's the reason why I don't like to scalp anymore, because I do, I cut things really quickly. I like the other strategy that I do, but there's no proper targets for that today. Oh, there is one. QCOM. What's QCOM doing? Did I look at that earlier? I mean, I tried scanning for it, but it didn't show up on my list. Let's go to the 15 minutes, see what happens. So it actually... So it's outside of yesterday's range, but it had a really bad initial 15-minute candle, so this is not a part of the strategy. It is, however, it did bounce off of the 20-period moving average. Let me take a look at the lower time frame, see what's going on. So we try to put levels on this one. Candle took us as low as here. We broke above and we retested it. Then we had this here. We broke above and we kind of retested it. Now we need to get above the open. So there's a lot of things that needs to happen on this one. We could try to scalp really quick if it breaks above the first 15 minutes and try to get the target here. Assuming that the ATR goes to 70%. Like, what it usually seems to do according to my notes, which is the basis of my strategy. But we're looking for $40 more. And then I'm done with this shit. There's a lot of things we could have held. See, look at that. Google just went to target finally, but it took us out first. It had a failure and it came below, and then it used this as a new level test. So here's that. So now the next one is here. It needs to break above and then retest this, and then maybe it can go to target from that. And something just... Okay, Tesla. So, I don't like it when it ignites like that. I kind of want it to retest again, but I think it might be a little bit too late on that one. This is a toughie because you just had this one thing do a clearing bar. Let's see if we can get a 1 minute pullback on it. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get that. Of course, now it's getting back to where this failure was, where it tried to reverse and it couldn't, and it tried multiple times, so now it has this that it has to contend with. So it's kind of a little bit of a sandwich. It's still going. Okay, Google broke above. Shit, this might be it for... this might work. The battle for $40 more to hit target for the day. Who's gonna be the winner, or am I gonna get a setback and totally fuck myself? I hate scalping. So you gotta adjust your strategy based on what kind of shit is going on for the day. Alright, Tesla just pulled back. Market's kind of doing the exact same thing, kind of retesting this level that I needed to hold. So, Tesla failed again to grab this, but we also have a pretty set base here now. Because it broke... so this candle took us too low, we broke above it, we retested it. We got above this, this tail bar here. And we held it, we swept the low again, we grabbed above it. So I wanted to have another pullback. So let's grab this, if we can. Alright, let's try it. Let's see if I lose 40 bucks. Do 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 do. Banana. Come on, bitch. Come on, baby. I'm looking at the price ladder. The price ladder is blocked by the chat box, but I'm looking at this to kind of gauge its strength. Looks like we're pushing up, but anything can happen. There could be there is a little bit of a sell wall. Okay, the big guy got taken out. Oh, Jesus, there's a huge one up here. Man, if we can break through this, it's gonna run. It's gonna run if it breaks through this. Can it break it? It's either gonna slam back down or it's gonna run. Up, it's gonna... okay. I only have a little bit of shares left. I already took off most of my lots here, but I want to see this thing break through. Alright. Ooh. You don't like what gold is doing? I don't trade gold, but I have physical gold. There was a really bad pullback this morning. Give me 1 second. I gotta look at my, what I'm at today. So I need $5 more. So what do you like to look at? GLD? Nah, that's not right. I don't ever look at gold. I look at the physical price and I see the chart on that, but I don't look at the look at the COMEX one. Let me try to do this. Is that gonna work? Can I just type in gold? No. Yeah, I don't even know what the fucking ticker symbol is. I thought it was GCCMX for like the COMEX, but I couldn't actually type that in there. Because I don't want to miner. Alright, so I need $5, and then I'm done, because today is difficult. Oh. But at the very least, gold held above 2,000, and it did it pretty convincingly. So even if it pulls back, I mean, it's still $166 that it needs to hold. But we never got to the inflation all-time high on it. So it's kind of failed at its mission of what it's supposed to do. But I have quite a bit of it physically. I'm like a fucking leprechaun. Although dragons have hoard gold, yeah. So why did I have to demean myself by saying leprechaun? I guess it's because it's fucking St. Patrick's month. Yeah, Tesla did a breakout, motherfucker. You juked me, you son of a bitch. Possible short up here. We might be able to get $5 out of that. So let's see if it makes it. We could also probably do a long here, too. This is a nice breakout. Let's see. Alright, alright, alright. $5. Give me $5, you fucking nugget. Ah, Jesus Christ, we're at $2.99 now. I need $1 more. Alright, well. Come here, buddy. Hell, I should just market smash. Alright, alright, come on, baby. Need to hit my mental goal, come on. It's gonna run without me, alright. We'll catch you another time. Should've just market smashed there. Alright. So let's really dig into this. Had an igniting bar. Okay, had an igniting bar. This is where I wanted to long, it didn't work out, so now we have a topping tail. We either didn't make a high higher than this high as expected. We are in the middle of this. Still have this clearing bar here. Alright, $1. $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. Alright, $301 we're done for the day, so I have graced your presence with my scalping skills. So a whole 3 viewers. Yeah, well, it's not the $900 yesterday, but we gotta... These days are gonna happen. We could have had a lot more, but I did not go in with a big size, so we're done within 45 minutes. Alrighty, any questions? Any videos? You can do a lot with that in Thailand, yeah?
Phillips, keep it clean or walk away. What's the plan, King Phillips? Keep it
Why does he
cool.
only tell you to keep it clean? Yeah, he just has bad memories of you. God damn, what would I be able to do in Cambodia with that much? I'd be able to live in one of those fucking temples, huh? Make that my new base? Have taxi cabs fight over who gets to take me around?
Depends on the offer, King Phillips. Lay it out for me.
Let's see, I'll turn him off for a second. What I want to? I don't know, man. Your experience kind of scares me. Oh god, that shit. Yeah. Ugh. Alright, well maybe I won't own a temple then. It's too bad that, no corporation went over there to improve the infrastructure, or at least, modernize certain things. Look at Tesla go! So a quick sweep and then a move above. Man, there's so much... Man, fucking... There's a lot more money to be made. But, I'll be fine with 300, I guess. How was the food in Cambodia? You think that gave you the sickness? Alright, we're pretty much done trading for the day, but I'm gonna scan around, so... Google played to our strategy, the scalp strategy, where it made a bounce, reattempt, and then we were looking for this as a target, but I got out around here. Tesla had a nice short, we could have made tons of money on it. But I didn't do it because the way that it was positioned was a little bit weird. If it didn't go all the way to target within the first 15 minutes, I might have tried to do a heavier size. But it kind of dropped the bottom on it. And Tesla's the big winner. And then I made a little bit on Apple when it looked like it was gonna keep above its level to hold. And that is my day. Cambodia pissed you off, so you ordered pizza. Did you actually leave a day early from Cambodia? Or did you just stay in your hotel room? I'm not actually smiling, I'm flossing my teeth. Decided not to go to Pub Street. What's left on your itinerary? You got Japan, right? Hanoi tomorrow? Well, you're certainly doing the trip that I'll never be able to do. I wish I could. Maybe when Bitcoin makes $1 million, gets up to $1 million. Hanoi, Philippines, and Japan. Nice. Kind of funny you ordered that sub sandwich that you had to make yourself. And that was supposed to be the best thing out there. I guess 12 to 15 ain't bad. That's actually really good considering all the shit you went to, man. Maybe it's not outside of the realm of possibility. Just the time. Enough time. Now you still got quite a bit of trip left. Do you get to accrue unlimited vacation days, or is there a cap off and they don't let you go above? Back in my last company, there was a cap off and they always reset. I'm surprised Thailand wasn't more banging. You said it was, the nightlife was not as crazy as expected. It's a little bit disappointing, but you also said if you missed out on it, then it was your fault, but... I don't know, you were there. You were in the heart of it. Bucket was disappointing for that. Bangkok did not disappoint. Some of the best chicks I've ever banged were from Thailand, so I was hoping that whole country was filled with them. Whoops. I was trying to see how Stockjock did this morning. Doesn't look like he did much. He had a really good day last week, I think. But he does options, I don't do options. Did they try sleeping with you? Did they try, like, did they try hitting on you while you're at the bar? At that rooftop bar? I don't know, every now and then I have this feeling where I just want to, cash out everything I have and just go to Thailand, because I could be there for quite a long time. Especially, I mean, just like this normal day trading, just like this regular day would allow me to do well over there. It'd be they'll worship me. They will worship a dragon. Wow, Japanese girls? They're a little bit harder to get. I'd have to see what the infrastructure is like there, like the internet. I mean, I'm sure the internet's shit. But if it's good enough to trade, I guess I can overlook ever playing online games. I'd want to be able to stream, and I'd want to be able to trade stocks, which, if you could do one or the other, they should both work. The internet's fine. And you seem to be, you seem to navigate pretty well, too. Like, how were you able to... Did most people speak English, or did you use your, like, a phone app to translate anything you didn't understand, or how did that work? Because the communication thing's paramount. Good amount speak English there. Probably be very profitable for them to do so. Oh man, I'm starting to get the feeling of how much was the resort there per night? Banyan Tree, Bangkok. Let's see what their pricing's like. So it's around 200 bucks. You paid 150 a night? Oh, it would be nice to have enough money to... I mean, that room you showed me was really nice. It'd be nice to have enough money to, like, just stay there all the time. Just, like, have a room for yourself at a resort. Like, it's... The one that you did a video tour of, the very first one... Oh wait, that wouldn't be in Thailand though, that was a little bit later, right? Oh yeah, that's right, that's okay. Maybe you didn't send a video of the Bangkok one. I do remember the Mariana Bay one, that was that one's really nice. You did? There was one that you showed me that I commented that was, like, better than some of the apartments. Oh, they upgraded your room. That's nice of them. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't go over there, because I'd just be a degenerate fuck. I would be degenerate until I got bored. You weren't supposed to get City View, well damn. It's quite the upgrade. Although it is a odd time of year, like it's not at the summer, when people have vacation, you kind of did it at a good time. Tesla looks like it might be good for another pop-up. It is holding that... the top of that tail. But I'm not gonna play anymore today because I had to actually work for this money today. Let me drop down to the 1 minute, see what it's doing. Yeah, this thing's gonna pop soon. Yeah, you can see the market. Man, what a crazy day. So you had the pop and flop. Then you had a retest of the lower level of yesterday. Massive swing. Retest of the level that was the bottom of the pre-market, and now it's just broken up and above. So, crazy day, man. Holy shit. That's why you need to do the level system when you're doing this type of crap. When things are uncertain, you can always fall back on that and just watch your stops. So let's see, they're grabbing liquidity now. See, this leaves a long tail, long bottoming tail. Let's see if it comes to pass. Let me put an alert here. Close below. It's not what I wanted to see if that was going to work out. But it is the 1 minute. Go to 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minutes still looks like it would do what I'm talking about. There you go. So now we want to see this. Well, Shay, you just saw me call that crap. To the T. I don't know who's watching this, but that's exactly what I fucking talked about. And it happened right in your face. I was almost considering trading again for that one. So Saigon was pretty good. I don't really have any interest in seeing Vietnam, but it's good that Saigon at least is developed. Damn, I'm having a major FOMO for calling that live and not fucking taking it. But I'm, you know, like I said, I was done earlier today because of the amount of scalping that I had to do. The food's good? I'm looking through your pictures now, just to remind myself of some of the questions I wanted to ask. It's kind of funny that Banh Mi Ba Hun, that sandwich place, made you make your own sandwiches, and their logo is an upside down McDonald's logo. The bacon that you had yesterday? What? No way they do bacon better than we do. Huh. Man, I'm really starting to get FOMO looking at this shit. Fuck. I better turn this shit off. Literally looked at this thing and called it. Didn't do nothing about it. Really? What kind of service is this? Fast. So I just looked it up, it's 9:43 over there, so I guess you're just winding down for the day. Might be another opportunity to play along here as well. Do you have an igniting bar over resistance? You could look for a retest around the purple line and try along. It's all probability though, because they could also roll it over and fuck you. Well, if I keep doing well for the rest of the week, I'm definitely going to treat myself over the weekend. Were there any places that didn't take card that you were visiting? Or are you talking about a special, like a... Are you not talking about a credit card? Are you talking about, like, a different type of passport? Sorry, I got money on my mind. So you not only need your passport, but you also need, like, a visitation visa, is what you're saying? Immigration visa. I'm thinking, like, credit cards. And actually, that was a question I wanted to ask you. If everywhere you went to took card, or did you have to use, physical cash in certain places? I know you need a passport everywhere, but something above the passport, like that visa, is interesting. The immigration visa. But like when you're making purchases, does everything use a credit card? Or do they have that ability, or do you need physical cash too? Oh, this is really making me want to take another trade, even though that'd be really stupid. And what about Cambodia? What did you have to do there? Bye-bye, money. Goodbye. Go to the moon. And honestly, it didn't pull back quite enough to where I want it. This one would have been your best bet. But I was looking for a little bit lower. Didn't make it. What's my friend SMCI doing? That's a good way to blow up the account. Well, if it gets too high, there might be a possible short around here. Did you pay your taxi cab guys in dollars? They're probably really appreciative of that. They won't take tears or wrinkles. You use grab, what is that? Is that a currency exchange thing? I don't know what grab is. Oh! Uber Lyft in Asia, interesting. And it's prepaid with your travel card, that's really nice. Oh man, this is gonna be a tasty... Might be a tasty short, but it can also... obliterate what I've made if I'm wrong. Or we're getting to a failure point. But... depending on what's up there, they could also just explode higher and stop you out. Yeah, that's a really long walk, man. What'd you say? You said it was like 8 miles or something? Man, that breakfast you got looks really good. Alright, I think we're about to play games now. So we're already up $300. That was my goal for days like today where I have to really scalp and it takes a lot of planning. 45-minute walk from Angkor Wat to the temple. Bayan Temple. That's long. Alright, let me take a piss and get something to eat and I'll be right back. I'm gonna switch over to Final Fantasy VII. Oh yeah, those massage parlors must be great. Yeah, I'd be a degenerate. I would just go from one to the other. Just get my dick rubbed all day. My dick would be worn out like it walked 45 minutes by itself. My third leg. Your dick would fall off. I must try every single location. Man, look at Tesla. Fuck me, man. Massive drop, tons of profit here. Tons of profit the other way. This is... Man. If I was not streaming and I was more aggressive today... But at least people got to see another example of the kind of shit that I do. Alright, let me pee, let me make food, and let me come back. And we'll get to the games part of games and gains. Alright, be right back. back. I see that everyone is left. That's fine. Fuck you guys. I'm just kidding. Alright, so we're gonna do Final Fantasy. Let's make sure I change my title, or not my title, at least the category I'm in, so I don't look like a retard. Alright, Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. That worked, right? Yep. Done. Alright, so you brought only $500? Yeah, I guess you can't get hookers with a credit card. Yeah, you got a really good deal on those hoes, because in the States that would just be a hand job. Oh, you can? Alright. So, where are we going here? I think we go to Cosmo Canyon. Do you just slide the credit card up their butts and that's how they take payment? Ah, 3% fee. That fast block, maybe we'll do that one, huh? Yeah, I didn't get enough summoning materia. He really sucks. This guy's fucking dumb. At least so far. Oh, with Barry, you don't have a accessory on you. You lost it. Oh, that's right, you had a revival ring on and it broke. That'd be the funnest part of my trip. I always like banging chicks. Survival vest, vitality by 10%, sure. So what do we got here? We got, you have lightning, you got binding, what else can we put on you? It reminds me of, American Psycho, where he's banging those chicks and he's looking at himself on the mirror, posing. Breach and Dispel, sure. Could have really used another summoning materia. Maybe we'll do that first.
You know, we should probably take a look at the town notice board. See if there are
Yeah,
any jobs.
Chadley, we need to...
As a reminder, you can find transmuter chips buried within Republic ruins throughout the land. Analyzing life springs may help you pinpoint the precise location of these chips. You should make an effort to seek out more of them if you wish to obtain new formulas.
I'll have access to Quake now. Huh. Well, Quake would be an interesting one. Now let's try to beat up on one of these bosses. to get materia. Oh man, items can't be used. Can I beat this guy? I'm a number of levels in. I didn't try it before. Let's try to get him then. Do we want Barrett? Alright, let's try it out. Probably gonna get our asses handed to us, but let's see. Oh my god. Dude's ripped. Strength and Punisher mode. Sure. Ah, fuck, you took me out of my thingamabob. Okay, now he's on prime mode. There we go. Get in there. I don't think he has any weaknesses, but let's try ice just in case. Thank you. Alright, things are not working too hot for me. Oh, fuck. Like a child and playthings, man. Throwing around toys. So how do I up his, stagger, then? Oh, it does pressure him. I really wish somebody would cure me. This bitch should be curing me, not using her materia. No stone, no stone. Oh, son of a bitch. He stoned me. Man, it'd be really nice to have my damn limit break. May as well do this before I die. He has Blizzard, right? Yeah. Do that on him.
Feeling chilly? That's it.
No, that doesn't stagger. Alright.
Let's do this.
Synergy. Firework Blade.
Don't give up now, you guys.
Did a whole lot of nothing to him. Try Braver again.
Brace yourself.
Well, you're almost staggered. I really wish I had.
Gotta be careful. Get ready. Do it! Let's go. Do it! After you.
About damn time.
I'll show you what I can do. Why don't you?
Staggered.
Let's finish this.
What can I do to really hurt this guy? Is there anybody that's got anything special? Nothing. Crapolas. He's gonna be tough to beat. I can't do that much damage from him. Don't stun me, bro!
I'll take care of them. One more shot. Go on.
Who has Phoenix?
Get him.
Whoopsie daisies.
This one's for...
I got this.
What the?
Here goes. One more shot.
What can Phoenix do? Just this flame thing? That's not gonna help. Alright, whatever. Limit breaky, ascension.
Gotta give it my all.
Ah, fuck, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to me?
I'll show you what I can do. Here it comes.
You got another synergy ability? What's this? Firework Blade. United Focus.
Get some rest.
One more shot. Get him. Time for something special.
Oh! You took us out of it. Aerith has a limit break.
Something.
Take it over.
Stay strong and carry on.
Okay, you got 3. Holy fuck. Oh man. Oh, you can't even use items, so this is fucked.
So it's my turn.
Oh, she's out of spells. God damn it. Yeah, we can't beat this guy. He doesn't have any weaknesses that I can... Oh, maybe Demi, or whatever the equivalent of Demi is. Yeah, we're fucked. This is we're just going through the motions now. There's no way we can beat 50% health on that. Fuckola! Okay, maybe not Titan. We beat Phoenix. Can't he? Oh shit. Still can't use items on this one. I think there's anything I can do against this guy.
Don't know how I did
Oh, fire! Fire is his weakness? Interesting weakness for Alexander. Damn. Get 2,000 health back to get 1,000 damage.
Gotta be careful.
Alright, Cloud.
Gotcha.
Nobody has fire?
Don't worry, I can handle this.
Okay.
This one's for you!
I don't have revive on her? Shit. Do what fire I would have done. That's a shit ton of damage. Maybe I should have played as her. Let me try again and play as her. Let me back out and make sure everyone has some type of
Endless
fire
replayability
ability.
is the simulator's greatest strength. If there's anything else I can do...
He does have fire. He has fire and ice. What the fuck? Well, you're not gonna use a rise. Aerith has fire. Hmm. I need him to do healing shit, don't we?
For you, please let me know. I'm always happy to help.
See that old rabbit trap of a plane?
The Village Youth Coalition is surprisingly well organized. Their leader must be quite capable. I suspect there's more to Cisne than meets the eye.
Try him again. Now that we know what his weakness is, we could... give him some damage. God damn it, I hate you swapping me back. Swiping me back.
Calling fire.
No, wrong hand. Critical hit, but it didn't say weakness on him.
Calling fire.
Stay strong, okay?
Alright, spells, we're gonna do Fire. And Barrett, do you have something that's... like, yeah, Fire Impulse, do that.
Pay attention.
Wrong hand.
Burn. Come on. That it?
Is that it? Alright, now we're out. Firebolt Blade on left arm. So Firebolt Blade does stuff, but not the other one. The fuck is this? Left arm's fucked.
Time to get serious.
limit break.
Any last words?
How did I get way over there?
Won't last long.
Guess I better cure myself if no one else is gonna do it. Barrett, my bro. Help a brother out.
Not looking good.
Wait, he teleported. What the fuck? Bugged out the game like infinite float.
Gotta be careful.
Come on, man. You have no arms. Ooh, limit break. Here we go. Ascension on this fuck.
Nothing personal.
So what does this thing actually help me with if this fucker is still doing well against me?
Have fun.
Okay, Phoenix should help. Fuck, Cloud's fucked. At least he got Phoenix off in time. Oh! No, he's dead. Fuck. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do now. Does she have a revive? She does not. What about Barrett? Barrett has raise. Did she even get that off?
Stop it!
Stop it! Yeah, stop it, fuckhead.
One more shot! Go on! There! This one's for you!
Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O.
Everything's spinning.
Shit. Why doesn't she have her own fucking ability? Herself.
Gotta use my ear. That's it! One more shot!
Shit, balls. This is fucked.
Going in.
Doesn't Barrett have raise? Bring back Gareth, even though she can't do anything.
Try using it!
Nose. Don't be a cheater.
This one's for you!
Don't be a cheater. You just put his fucking arms back, you fuckhead. I don't know what I just said there, but I was angry. So 50% health, he's just gonna bring back his arms anyway. This guy is tough. Oh shit, he got me with that one. Block. Block! That's the end of the game. Alright, we can't beat this guy. Oh man, and I had... Here. Raise Cloud. Then do Healing Wind.
Winds caress you.
Did it work out the way I wanted?
One more shot!
Gotta give it my all.
Cloud.
Taking over.
Block me. Oh, this is tough. Wouldn't be too bad if the limbs were actually gone after you taken out the first time. They should not be regrowing. I think that's kind of horse shit. Mega fuck cannon. Wow. Cheating fuck. Yeah, this is over with. So you weren't letting me get items. You keep regrowing your limbs. What a dipshit. Oh, 8 minutes of fun. Wow, SMCI is almost at the target for short, but not quite yet. Oy oy oy. I guess we move on with our lives. We can't beat that fucker yet. Shut up, kid.
I look forward to seeing what new discoveries you make in your trip.
Is there anything else in here we haven't done before we leave? Doesn't look like it. Oh, there was a gun. Barrett's gun, right? Where's the item shop?
Right, a balanced folio.
That is not the item
Like a
shop.
diet.
One door over?
Remember, no feeding the wildlife.
Alright, give me.
Hello.
Hello there. Vulcan cannon. You're now broke.
Must have dreamed that custom.
The Vulcan cannon is linked. That's about the only difference. Looks like it has better magic and slightly less attack power. Yeah, I think I run out of the fastest is the ATB gauges. That'll be helpful to have that.
Smith made diesel? Well, maybe you
Alright, new territory to cover.
So, what are free flyer pilots exactly?
Well, since the Republic's on the scrap heap, Shinra all but owns the skies.
Birds ought to count their blessings that Shinra hasn't come down
Oh,
on them yet.
I thought they were
Flyers
enemies.
couldn't care less though, and go wherever they please.
Good for them. Nobody owns the sky, least of all Shinra.
Give me
And
my
our
green
man gives him the
chocobo.
finger as he flies
Hi,
by.
buddy.
For real? Sounds like my kind of guy.
Yeah, we're just gonna wind up into a battle anyway, right?
You're dead.
Come on!
Fire's extremely effective against those guys. Holy crap.
This one's for you!
This ends here. That was never in doubt.
Well, that was a satisfying battle. Okay, buddy. Do 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 boo. We have to go all the way here. Okay, there is a bridge. Do I want to get anything over here before I go? There's a lot of shit to go around. Decent sized overworld. Holy shit. Oh, you couldn't quite get me up there, huh? Doo-doo-be-doo-be-doo-boo-boo. Hey, I don't want to go into combat.
You're dead. Going in. Gotcha.
So nice to kill those guys. Alright, let's get at this dude.
You're dead.
You're dead! Let's keep bouncing into it until I can hurt it. Oh crap. You don't even have cure on you, buddy.
Gotta be careful.
Fair, why not burn him? It's not like you can keep that gauge going offline, off battle.
I'm coming! Huh. Can you take over?
Fight through it.
Finally.
Let's do this. No more bloody night. Quite the scrap.
Oh. now I'm just showing off. Oh, did I miss you, bud? Let's get the chocobo stop. There we go. Alright, exit out. Get off the bird, man. Now it works. Oh, alright. Keep going. Not the direction I was planning to go. Alright, you're gonna have me memorize the pattern again, huh? Attempt to analyze. Alexander's is a little bit annoying. Triangle, square, X. Triangle, square, X. Oh shit, fuck. I hate the synchronization bullshit. Triangle, square, X. Triangle, square, X. Fuck! Here. Alright, so that'll make him easier to fight. Ugh, but you need more than one. I can't bop down. Shoot. Oh, you caught me in combat. Just beat up on frogs.
That deserves a round of applause.
Alright. You didn't get me to... up there. Hey, yeah. Oh, there's a tower here. Where is it? Yeah, where's that fucking owl? I have to get off. Is that what you're telling me, boy? Ugh. You're so helpful. Does that give you a headache to spin around like that over and over? Cloud! Discovered something new, Cloud! He didn't talk to me that time. Why didn't my chocobo come? Hi. Well, there's a tower. And how do I get up there? Yeah, maybe just find a mushroom, huh? Tower first.
We are gonna check out that spring, right?
Guess I don't have a choice. Because this thing's closer. Wow, look at all these items. And is that tower a straight shot, or is this the wrong place? Cool. Do-do, 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 do-do. Cloud.
Good news, Cloud. I've unearthed information about a particularly rare monster. Even the forest lurks at being Filfowl. Pardon me. Filfowl. Your mention of it induces nausea. Noxious and making negatively affected.
Let me guess, a Marlboro? Seems like a Marlboro place. Alright. We got that stuff here. Now where's the, I'll have to get to this radio tower. Hey, bud. Alright, I need to get off my bird for a second. I need to learn how to get out. Alright, here we go. That did not help, but it did show me a Moogle place.
I wonder what it'd be like to live inside a mushroom.
Alright, enter the Mog Stool.
Please bring back all the mooglets for me, Kupo.
Get the fuck in there. What? Ah, Jesus. Bombs are dangerous, bro. Fuck!
Over here.
How did you not get stuck on that? Mosh. Ass hat, fucking shithead. I mean, why are you such a prick? No! Wrong way! Fuck. Thank you. Holy God.
So much, Kupo! I really can't thank you enough. It's such a relief, the Emporium. You're a lifesaver, Kupo!
Damn kids.
Over here!
What does he have?
Welcome, Kupo! Over here!
That's a pretty good accessory.
Feel free to drop by any time!
Kupo. What's this? Is there anything I need to build on here? Can't build that. Do enhanced bangles. Alright, I don't have enough for the rest of this shit. God, the place we need to get to is way over there. Can we fast travel back here? What's this? Oh, that's right, the tower. Stupid thing you can't get to. I need a lunch off of mushroom. Alright, let's do this one later. Oh, there's the airstrip.
Looks like we found the airstrip. Or what's left of it.
Yeah, it's definitely seen better days.
You can say that again. It's more crater than runway.
Are you kidding me? So we came here for nothing? Maybe not. See that?
Oh, a Republic telephone booth, eh? Worth a wee look.
Get off of me. Or get me off of you.
Send up smoke and we'll be right with you, folks. Bronco Airlines. Seriously?
Smoke.
Guess so.
So, find anything?
Yeah, we gotta send up smoke.
Like, with a fire?
Wait, you've never heard of smoke signals? Wow. What do they teach you in Midgar?
Okay, do it for us, Ninja Girl.
Well, leave it to someone who knows more than just enough. This is taking too long. But I can speed things up.
Oh god.
Come to me, airplane! Follow the smoke! Come to me, airplane! Follow the smoke!
Summon the airplane.
Right on cue!
Well, I'll be damned.
Told you I'd speed things up. Over here!
Interesting little plane thing.
Bravo, sir!
Sid?
Where to, folks?
Cosmo Canyon, please.
You talk? The hell kind of magic trick is this? Not that I ain't seen crazier shit on my travels. Now, how many of you we got? Too many. But the old girl likes a challenge.
Gonna be a bumpy ride.
With hazard pay, I'd say this is fair.
That's pretty good.
Since I don't have much else going on, I'll be here scratching my ass till y'all pony up. Much obliged. Hop on board and sit where I tell you. Gotta make sure my baby's balanced just so.
Good idea.
Hold on tight now, you hear? Fall out and you're on your own.
Ow.
Here we go!
That's painful.
We're flying!
No shit, kid. Who do you think I am?
I don't know. Who?
President and pilot of Bronco Airlines, Sid Highwind. Pleasure having you aboard.
I must admit, I didn't expect to find a willing participant. You are truly a model soldier, my boy. I'd hold still if I were you. We wouldn't want any complications.
No, Professor.
Since you're so committed, I'm going to give you a special treatment. One that will surely make you into a hero. Once, this would have taken years, but now it takes a mere 18 hours. All thanks to me and my singular genius. I stand at the forefront of science, my brilliance a guiding light. Of course, we pioneers must be ready to do what others are not. though even I wouldn't dare attempt to improve upon perfection.
So I'm gonna laugh when I win the lottery. Oh wow, you can let me
What?
play?
Thought maybe planes would be okay, but no.
I
Not in here. Open a window.
don't know.
Yeah.
You're not worried about flying around in the open like this? What if Shinra sees us?
Shinra don't own the skies. Shitheads couldn't stop me even if they tried.
I think you and me are gonna get along just fine.
We're getting pretty close now.
Yep. Bringing her down.
So we'll have to pay him each time to like get back to another continent, or can I fast travel now?
Okay, folks, we're here. Brought you as far as I could. Hope y'all don't mind walking, cause now you're on your own.
What about the next time we need a lift?
Send up a signal. Just make sure I got room to land. Happy trails to you.
Cool. I have to go back to the airport every time.
The Veil's this way.
Inspect the telephone booth at an airstrip to send up a smoke signal. Call up the tithing Bronco. After alighting, the pilot will happily send you to any airstrip you've visited before for the right price. The right price is 1,000 gil for your inaugural trip and 300 for subsequent. Good, because I was getting low on money. Bahamut arisen. Oh, Jesus. That's gonna be a crazy summon. I'm not gonna be able to beat him for a while, though. Alright, people, I think that's a good place to stop for now. I might play again in the afternoon, but we've done trading already. I don't see anyone else on, so it's a good place to stop. Alright, I guess we call it good then. Good trading session and interesting little stream. Alright people, see you later. Bye bye.